Hi, my name is Adam Bush, and we're here at STEGO Incorporated headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia. And more importantly, the warehouse. You know, safety is one of our number one priorities, and I want to introduce to you Jermaine and James as they walk through their step-by-step procedures to keep his team members and our products safe in the warehouse.
Here at STEGO, safety is our number one priority, not just in our warehouse, but in our front office as well. We like our coworkers to come to work safely and return home safely to their families after each working day. And by doing this, we can achieve our mission statement, which is exemplary customer service. One of the ways that we practice safety here in the operations is that we have a member of the operations team do a daily checklist for the forklift to make sure that it's operating correctly. And another way that we practice safety here in operations is by operating our forklift in a safe manner by pulling down the product slowly and making sure there's no one around when we're pulling the product off of the shelf. Another one of our safety measures here in the warehouse is to ensure that we use standardized pallets within our racking system here to ensure that just in case a fire breaks out within the warehouse, that the chemical agent or water will be able to flow down to the bottom of the racking system to ensure that none of the product gets damaged. Again, safety is the number one priority here in STEGO because it leads to us having exceptional customer service, making sure that we're picking the product right, packing the product right, and shipping the product right. And overall, we're doing it in a safe space. So from all of us here at STEGO, our operations team, our sales department, sales team, our customer service, we would just like to thank you for your partnership with us and looking forward to doing more business with you.